Hi everyone, this is Megan, and I just wanted to show you what I got. I can't actually show you the camera because I am using it to record this video. But we went out to the sales at Black Friday at Walmart. Actually, Black Thursday, I guess now. We got a bunch of stuff for the house. And we got the very last one of the HD Averio. It is the GZ HM30. And we had a little boy that my husband couldn't find where they were located. And this little boy ran across the store and he said he got the last one, dove into the pile and got the last one for us. It's amazing how you bond with the people that are in line with you, but it's so tiny. We've never had a regular camcorder. We've always used like the flip camera, and it literally is smaller than my regular picture taking camera. So let me show you. I'm still learning out how to use it, but oh, I guess that's the limits. Pretty darn cool. But I wanted to see how, let me find a piece, like here. Pretty cool. I think it's going to be a lot clearer. And we went to Michael's and I got my bag split. Here, let me. A bucket full of paint. My paint was getting pretty old and I need some colors. These were 33 cents after the coupon. And I got a little Iwaku eraser. And some little puppy dog charms. And what else? I was only able to get one of these. We were really late getting to Michael's, and we're gonna head over there tomorrow and see if there's any left. So, and if anybody wants, if anybody's looking to purchase one of those Ninja ice crushing machines or the drink makers, oh my gosh, does it make the best iced coffee. It crushes the ice down to little pellets. So, anyway, that's kind of what we got other than houseware stuff, and my husband got some clothes, and it was a fun evening and day. So I hope you guys braved it and got yourself some great deals, and hope you had a very, very nice Thanksgiving for those that celebrate it. See you guys. Bye.